Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video. And yeah, this is going to be an emergency video because we have seen one of the biggest crash in the crypto market history, especially Bitcoin wiped out almost 20,000 US dollars of Bitcoin price, and we have seen Bitcoin drop from 120 to 100,000 US dollars. So I figured this is a good time to make an emergency video. And just like what I said in my previous video, there were a lot of bearish signs. In fact, I have been telling you guys that there have been multiple bearish signs for the past few months already. The last time I believe we have started seeing those signs when Bitcoin was around 110,000 US dollars. And then of course some people would just say, oh, the crypto bull run will just continue. Of course, we are going to see those potential increases for the very short term. We would see those small movements. We would see all-time highs and then all-time highs. But at the same time, you would, if you are going to look at the RSI closely in the weekly time frame, there is a very big bearish divergence, which I keep on mentioning within the past 3 weeks. Or actually, it's not been the past 3 weeks, it's actually the past few months already. I have been telling you guys that I am very bearish with the crypto market, and it's actually right now quite overwhelming, of course, especially for most traders who got liquidated. In fact, it's actually one of the biggest liquidation in history. I believe it's around 19 billion US dollars that got wiped out in the crypto market. So what does this mean for the overall crypto market today? So honestly, I think that this is the last bull run that we are going to see for the time being. In fact, after this crash that we have seen, what I think Bitcoin will do is it will just consolidate to the sideways for the time being. And of course, we are going to get that somewhat of a small recovery with Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin can still go back to the 115,000 US dollars. It could still consolidate within that area. So I believe crypto will either way recover within the next few weeks and few days, but I don't expect Bitcoin to create more bull run. When I say bull run, meaning to say Bitcoin will go back to breaking new all-time highs, and Bitcoin to break 130k, 150k. And in the past video, I have mentioned to you guys that we have been seeing a lot of sell volumes if you are going to look in the smaller time frames. So right now, I don't expect Bitcoin to enter into a massive or to continue a bull run, but rather I would expect a consolidation. And then at the same time, right now it's looming into a potential long-term bear market. But take note, it's not yet a confirmed long-term bear market because we are still above the Bitcoin bull market support band. Maybe I'll mention that in the next video, but right now it's not yet a long-term bear market. The only time where we can see it's a long-term bear market is if Bitcoin has seen a candle close below the 50-week moving average, and right now we are still not seeing that. So it's not yet a confirmed long-term bear market, but this is another big and major warning sign for the whole crypto market. So I hope this, if let's say you got liquidated within the past few hours, I hope this serve as a lesson to everyone in the crypto market. Because I notice also in my videos, whenever I create a bearish sign videos, I usually get the lowest video count on my YouTube channel. But looking at the videos that I have mentioned the word buy Bitcoin or bull run or bull market, people only tend to watch my bullish videos and they tend to ignore the bearish videos. So I hope that you understand that if you are in the crypto market, you have to be open to all perspective, so that in case that we see a possible market crash, or if let's say we seen a market crash, we are going to be prepared with those crashes. In fact, I've mentioned to you guys, I have sold already all of my Bitcoin back when it was around 110 to 115,000 US dollars. and right now I didn't get a huge loss. But either way, even if Bitcoin crashes to 100k or even back to 80k, I will still be in profits because I bought Bitcoin in 15k. But either way, I have already sold my Bitcoin, and right now I have been expecting a market crash because right now Bitcoin is very overbought, and we have seen those declining RSI, declining volume, as well as those bearish stochastic RSI cross, some bearish patterns forming within the bigger time frames. So yeah, right now I hope you take a step back, you take this time to learn from this market crash, because take note guys, diamond hands are not created during the bull market. They are created whenever those traders experience a market crash. And altogether, I know there are a lot of bullish news and bullish people saying that for the past few weeks, a lot of bullish people saying that Bitcoin will go to new all-time highs, and then of course some of you might have gotten those hype, then ignored those bearish signs. But right now, I hope this serve as a lesson to most people that if you are going to be in the crypto market, you have to be trading by the data and not by the hype. And of course, the best thing that I would personally advise to everyone is when everyone is greedy, that's where you sell, and when everyone is fearful, that's where you buy. Right now in the crypto market, everyone is so greedy with the crypto market. That's why I also sold my Bitcoin on top of those bearish signs. So yeah, it's quite overwhelming, especially for all of us. And of course, I have seen a lot of people, actually in fact a lot of people have been messaging me saying that they lost a lot of their money, their hard-earned money. And I just wanted to make this video to all those people who lost their money and hopefully give them this analysis. And if let's say you are currently holding Bitcoin right now and you have received a massive loss, what I would suggest is you would do a DCA sell. Don't sell your Bitcoin all in one go. What I would recommend is sell 50%, then sell if ever we see a Bitcoin recovery, then that's where you start selling. And then if let's say you lost your trade, you got liquidated with some leverage trading, then if I were you, I would take this time to take a step back and just take a quick break from the crypto market, because of course this has been a very painful experience. So yeah, but at the end of the day, you will get a lot of experience from this market crash, and of course you will definitely be a much better trader and investor after this market crash. But yeah, just a quick update for now. I'm actually outside of Manila and I currently have some things to do for today. So, and I just couldn't resist creating this video because I have seen a lot of people messaging me. So that's why I created this video. But yeah, anyway, that's all the update for now. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out emergency videos like this. Anyway, bye-bye for now.